Hey guys, Ome from Escooter Clinic. I think it's time for you to learn how to change a tire on a Pure Air 3 scooter. The tools needed for this tire change are as follows. A few tire levers, long nose pliers, a pick, impact, and a bit set. The first step is to take the reflector off the front fork. The next thing you want to do is remove these two bolts here with a 4mm bit. After removing the screw for the brake disc, we can now lift up the scooter and the wheel will pull out. After removing the wheel, we can take out all the air from inside the tire, if there is any. From here, you can push the bead in and de-seat the tire on both sides. Insert one tire lever here, like so, and another just next to it. You can pull down on one, then the other, and one side of the tire has now come off. Just take off the other side. Before I install this tire, I'm going to lube up the beads on both sides with WD-40. After lubing up the tire, you can insert one side of the tire onto the rim, like so. Put your knee on one side of the tire and apply some pressure while you slip in one tire lever here, another up here. Move your knee and place it over here. And there you are. Your first time might take a while, but after some experience, you'll be able to do it like this. With some more experience, you'll be able to install it with your bare hands. All that's left now is for you to just pump up your tire. After pumping up the tire, you can slot in the front wheel. From here, you can reinsert one of the bolts. Now install the bolts on the other side. Now we'll insert the screw for the drum brake. Now just reattach your side covers and you're good to go. I hope this video has helped you change a tire on your Pure scooter. Stay tuned for more repair videos.